Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Sometimes you may want to embellish the field, or have some signatures for them. There is not only a way to do that such as adjusting size, space, color, but also adding icons into their title. This is the topic of this tutorial. You can add any icon from Dashicon, Font Awesome, Elusive, or Genericons to the title of the custom fields created with MetaBox. They will be a beautiful addition to decorate the field, or even an alternative for the title. Let's go ahead to find out how to do it with MetaBox. To have custom fields on your site, you might have the MetaBox plugin already. It's available on WordPress.org. You also may need some advanced features from MetaBox provided by its extensions. You can install those extensions individually or use MetaBox all-in-one to have them all. Beside that, if you have the MetaBox builder to create and manage the fields in an intuitive UI, it'll be easier to add the icons. Otherwise, you can add the HTML script of the icon to the code directly. I will give you both ways in this practice. If you intend to use icons from the Dash Icon library, you can skip this step since this library is developed by WordPress. If you intend to use any other library, you should download it first. Then, copy the library folder to the theme folder. This is the CSS file from the library that we need to enqueue. Next, go to the functions.php file. Add these lines to enqueue the file. This is the direction of the file. From now on, you can use any icons from this library on your site, including the field title. Now, I will create some fields for adding icons to the titles. Go to MetaBox and create the fields. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location, and select Post to display the created fields. Then, on the Editing post, you will see the fields but without icons. I'm going to use icons from the Dash Icons library. So go to WordPress.org at this link. Search for an icon. Then copy the HTML of the icon. As I mentioned before, you can create and manage the fields using the UI provided by the MetaBox Builder extension, or using code. No matter which way you are doing, adding icons to the title are quite the same. This is a field group that I made before. This is created using the UI. And this is the code in the theme functions file to create the fields as well. This is how the fields are displayed in the post editor. I will add an icon to the field group title on this place, as well as titles of all the fields inside. To add the icon to the field group title, just paste the HTML that we've just copied to any place on the title. In the code, this is where we set the field group title, so paste the HTML as well. Do likewise with the titles of the fields. Just paste the HTML of the icon as you want to the title. In the code, look for the lines where you register the name of each field and paste the HTML of the icons. Now, go to the post editor. You will see the icons display besides the field group title and each field title. This is how they look in the backend. If this field group is also displayed on a page on the front end, they would display well. Let's check it. I'm adding a block in the type of submission form. After adding the ID of the field group to this box, the fields will display immediately, obviously along with the icons. Here they are on the page on the front end as well. So, we've finished adding the icons. And, please pay heed that all the icons also display well in the MetaBox and fields created with MetaBox plugin no matter which library is used. That's all for the tutorial today. If you want to learn more about how to play around with MetaBox, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.